G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a stunning home, 18 Sattonwood Avenue in the popular Bayside suburb of Irraween. As usual, plenty to take in. Let's go take a look around. This captivating residence delivers a flawless blend of indoor and outdoor living in the tightly held community of Kingfisher Lakes in Irraween. This is where you'll enjoy the lifestyle and convenience of being only minutes from the thriving heart of the Hervey Bay CBD and essential amenities, including hospitals, Stockland Shopping Centre, Bunnings, Pialba Place Shopping Centre, schools, TAFE, university, golf course, and of course, our beautiful esplanade and beach. This stunning contemporary haven offers a flowing indoor-outdoor floor plan with high ceilings throughout, crafted for year-round entertaining. The quality and scale of this architecturally designed and custom-built home are immediately apparent as you enter, with that statement entry featuring a beautiful timber ceiling that naturally draws you towards the vast open plan living and dining area, which includes the kitchen and forms the heart of this home, and again features high raked ceilings, stylish plantation shutters, and reverse cycle split system air conditioning for year-round comfort. The wonderfully appointed kitchen features beautiful stone bench tops, a large island bench with sink and breakfast bar, offering loads of preparation and storage space, plus a large walk-in pantry. Quality appliances include a large 900ml electric hot plate with a range hood and oven, plus a dishwasher. You will feel as though you're on holiday every day as you open the stacker doors, which provide a seamless transition between the indoor living space and that fabulous alfresco outdoor entertaining area, all under the main roof with roller shade blinds overlooking the private backyard with lovely established tropical gardens. This is where you'll appreciate and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. You also have a separate lounge or media room with an acoustic ceiling. This is where you can enjoy your favourite television series along with the latest movie releases. This home offers great separation and privacy for everyone, with all 4 bedrooms featuring ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes located away from the main entertaining zones. The spacious main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, reverse cycle split system air conditioning, a walk-in wardrobe, and a lavish ensuite with double basin vanity, a shower and a toilet. The main bathroom includes a sumptuous freestanding bath, a large shower recess, vanity and a separate toilet. The laundry is located to the rear of the kitchen and offers direct access outside to the clothesline. Those looking to accommodate several vehicles will appreciate the oversized double garage with an insulated remote panel lift door, and you've got direct internal access into the home. The energy conscious will appreciate the 5.5 kilowatt solar power system, and you've got a large garden shed to accommodate all of your gardening tools. And those needing high-speed internet connectivity will appreciate this home has fibre to the premise. Homes of this calibre in this location and price point are in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now, Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.